Today we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna cook for our parents, Bonnie and Will. Both of them have done so much for us, so it's a little token gesture, a little thank you.
I love it you're going to cook us lunch. What are you going to cook? I'm starving.
So we've taken some inspiration from Alana Satwell's potato recipe. So we're just going to use some parboiled potatoes, which we're going to roast with some olive oil, some garlic, and then sprinkle some blue cheese on top. Then we have some prawns.
The reveal.
From Freckle, our favourite fishmonger in the world. And then a Greek salad.
So get going, because I'm starving.
Yeah.
If you grow up in a food family, food is so important. But if we were chatting the other day, and it's so lovely to go around to mum and dad's and have that home-style cooking, which we've all drawn from and learned ourselves. But we thought we'd flip the cards and then show them a bit of love, and we'll cook for them and do the washing up.
It's good to see them working as a team, I think. Very proud. I'm proud.
Yeah, and they're nice and calm, getting on with it. It's good. Good to see. I'd sort of want to interfere a little bit and go, did you remember this? Did you remember that? But I'm being very restrained.
You are, actually.
Yep.
So this is one of our favourite blue cheese. It's the farmstead cheese from just outside Paris.
Single herd.
Single herd, 350 goats. But yeah, like the happiest goats. And again, it's just like that picture perfect place that you're like, am I dreaming? So it's kind of backs onto a deer forest. So that's got that brilliant white goats. Yeah, and then it all blew up.
So we should do a bit of a mix and match, one of our cheeses and then some of Deb's?
Yeah.
So I reckon we do a quarter. So I put these on the barbie?
On the barbie? Yeah, I reckon you can put the shrimps on the barbie.
Food has always been the centrepiece for our family. Our love for food has always been brought about by mum and dad. Like, they always invite us into the kitchen. It was always like, when your kid's mum would like sit you up on the kitchen counter and be like, do you want to stir that? Do you want to make that? And Dad always encourages us to cook.
So tell us what we got for lunch. I know all about the Greek salad and some potatoes I saw you messing around with.
Your potatoes are...
Yeah, they're almost ready.
Wow, I can smell it.
Have a look at that.
Oh, looks delicious.
Well done.
That was easy, hey?
It was.
There you go, Bon.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Looks delicious. It smells delicious.
So I just wanted to have another cheers to say thank you so much for being our parents and for coming today and always supporting us in our endeavours. We're very lucky to have you.
Yeah, we love you both lots.
It's a pleasure. And this is delicious.
Good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.